Hi everybody, welcome to the 5th health video of the Casey Farm Camp. In the past few weeks we have been talking about health, but we've mostly been covering about how it affects you physically, not only on the outside but also in the inside, because I want you all to also prioritize giving your body the best tools to succeed in giving you a long life, not just outward appearance. So this week we are going to talk about another type of very important health, mental health. For those who don't know, mental health is a person's condition with regard to their psychological and emotional well-being. Mental health is very important because it affects how we feel, how we think, and how we act. And this is not only just within ourselves and in our thoughts, this also extends to people, things, and events. So, for example, if your mental health is suffering, you may have a harder time dealing with stress at school or work, and then that affects your emotions with other people and yourself. Also, the pain of mental health is not as visible as physical pain, like breaking a leg. So, this sometimes makes it harder for those suffering from mental health to explain what it is they are struggling with and how someone can help them. Especially during this time of COVID, when we can't go out and do things that would have usually helped our mental health, like be with family and friends, it's important to find other healthy options. So I'm going to mention a few things and then let you watch a video that goes further into why gardening is good for your mental health. The benefits of gardening have been seen time and time again, but there are different theories as to why it is good for our mental health. The first theory is that gardening is both physical exercise and creative art. Physical exercise releases feel-good chemicals in our brain called endorphins, and creative art allows us to express ourselves and fulfills a sense of relaxation and happiness. Keeping our garden alive and caring for it is sometimes enough to give us a sense of pride and purpose. Another theory is that gardening is a good mix of focused attention and fascination. Focused attention is good because it helps you get the work done, but too much focused attention can lead to stress. That's where fascination comes in because it relieves feelings of anxiety and centers us again. Finally, plants release oxygen, which helps our brains function better. Plants are literally giving you life, and I think that's pretty cool, which is one of the reasons I like to garden and grow my own food. So, like I mentioned, after this video, there will be a link to a different video you should go and watch. As you're watching that video, keep in mind all the things that you have done throughout the camp and see if you can relate to the ideas this person is talking about, and hopefully you have also seen the benefits of gardening and how it can help you be happier.